Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Chengalpet. For admissions, contact 9688999811 8012553412 73730
Ka Meghalaya State Veterinary Council haka arpkhandai tarik uyayong arjar arpulai kala Rakhe yak World Veterinary Day halor kapang promoting equity and inclusiveness in the veterinary profession. Haka ba Menteri Sarkar Jilla uba Alexander Elhek ulalongkum kongsan harangkat kajingi don lang jong Secretary Jongatnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Dr. Majunatha C ubalalongkum sumbot kongsan U President Jong Meghalaya State Veterinary Council U Dr. KB Sakhar ka Director Jongatnat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Dr. Mrs. A. Lalu Bat Kiwe.
Congratulations once again. Today, I am very happy. Dr. Sekhar also has said that it is the first time that a minister himself is associated with this kind of gathering. I am very glad because I believe in functioning, not the functions. But ALHEC is not the new minister. He believes in the field and also in the functioning. I have been working in the different departments in the last 25 years in the government of Meghalaya since 1998. But I always love to walk to the field and then see myself what are the challenges that people, particularly rural area, are facing. That is important for me. So we have to reach out to them. We should understand what is the problem, what are challenges that they are facing. Today we have seen, particularly in our tribal mentality, when we go, we're asking about the project, the scheme, where the loan components are there. First we'll tell, oh, the loan, we don't want to take loan. But how to make the model and the method easy for them. Don't give them burden, but give them the easy way how to avail the loans, how to avail the subsidy, how to start operations, their projects or the schemes. What the important is what I said about the positions. I remember I've been elected for the first time in 1998. I got my opportunity to work with late T.H. Ravan. One day when he was a cabinet minister and minister of states way back in 1998, he came to my room and he said, Bahek, the chair you are sitting is not your positions, it's your functions. Remember this, wherever we are there, having our responsibility and positions is not remain only in the positions, what is our functioning, is our functions. That's why I'm saying you, give me my positions, I'll find out the way. So it is a duty and responsibility of each one of you who are present here today to find out the way. What is the way to find out? The main is, we are going to be getting the services to the farmers, the individuals, and particularly the people in the rural areas. So therefore, there's other speakers spoken before me and said everything about the technical, how we go to, progress about the functioning of the departments. But my point is the only thing, my target, our target, we cannot work single hands. We need the collective efforts. We need everybody to put our minds together to ensure that whatever we are doing, it should be for the beneficial, for the people in the rural areas and also for the poor people who want to be. We want tomorrow that our economy will be make a strong economy, will be a game changer. We can turn around. The veterinary department I've seen, I've learned only not even 2% today. I'm not even 2% because I just recently came in to this provisions, to this work. Only 2-3 days, maybe to the last 1 month. I have to learn many things. How to turn around the veterinary department, how to turn around, how to bring the economy to the people of our states. We really will be a great changer. We will be a game changer for the state of Meghalaya. Let us hope together, we work together, and definitely we are going to bring a complete paradigm shift for the state of Meghalaya through the veterinary department.